Welcome to the Late Night Gunpla Show, starring Jim and Harry.
Thank you, everybody. Thanks for joining us here at the Late Night Gunpla Show. I'm Jim. Right next to me is Jiminy. He's not going to do much because he doesn't really talk. But today we have a special unboxing of our brand new kit for the show. It was brought to us by our gracious host up north in Canada, Canadian Gundam. You guys can check out their website. Go on, log on, buy some kits. Drop my name, get a discount. I don't know. Maybe. Who knows? But, yeah, that's what we're going to do, unboxing.
Alright, welcome back. I opened up the box, and I was quite happy to see what I got. And here we go. Boom! We got the MSK 008 Dijeh Karaba Prototype Mobile Suit. This is from the Zeta Gundam show. I believe this one is also in the new narrative show. I'm not positive, so don't hang me if I'm wrong, but I believe it's a little bit different. This one is actually piloted by Amuro Ray in the show. I believe the people who built this were ex-Xeon builders or mechanics, whatever you want to call them. That's why it has a mono eye. As we can see, the front box art over here, you got like the Psycho Gundam in the background. Really nice picture and a really cool pose of the DJ. And then you got Hyakushikis back there. Alright, over here on the side, we got the beam rifle, the clay bazooka, which I believe are both off of the Hyakushiki, so it's basically the same gun and bazooka. And then you got a beam naginata, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's basically like a Darth Maul double beam saber kind of looking thing, kind of like a Gelgoog has, so I guess that's where it came from. Here you got like pictures of, I guess, the joints and how they move. We got some nice poses over here with all three of the weapons. I'll show you like an open hand. I'm showing you, what are you showing you? Just more nice pictures. And over here we got like basically the same front box art. There's the blue Bandai. And then it's high grade number 219. So that's what we got. So let's open up and see what's inside. Alright, so let's get right into it. Alright, we got the instructions here. A little bit about the kit in front. Inside, some more information, nicely detailed color photos. You know, pretty much regular instructions. Oh, this is new. So they got like, kind of like a picture of like the parts you're going to be building. Like a shadow picture of it. So instead of saying it's like left arm or whatever, now it actually has a picture of it. I never really seen that before. So that's kind of new. You got your leg. You know, that's pretty cool. Yeah, like I said, left leg and then you build it. Alright, back here you got, you know, more of the pictures, the weapons. That's about it, you know. Regular instructions. Alright, so what do we got? We got like this darker, it's hard to see, but it's almost like a darker grayish blue, and this looks like be the feet. Same color here. Looks like we got the skirt, so this will be like the skirt and the chest, you know, more of the feet. I guess that says like his shield. That's like his shoulder over here. And we got this lighter gray that'll mostly be like joints and stuff and waist, and you got hands in here. Thrusters, yeah, pretty much, you know, all the gray joint pieces, and there's more, there's a couple more, same stuff. What else we got? Alright, so we got like this darker gray. It's actually different from the feet. It's more of a gray. So this is completely different from the feet. Where the feet was like a bluish. You know, same here. This is the weapons. This is just a darker gray. There's the bazooka and the rifle. We got a nice foil card here from Canadian Gundam. There's all the information, guys, so go ahead and check them out. What else we got? Alright, we got a little bit of red. I believe this is for the thrusters, and this one is going to be for, I believe, the chest or waist. Same thing, we only got a little bit of yellow. It's upside down. There you go. So this is yeah, this will be the chest, this will be the neck. I don't know what those are, maybe hoses or something. Oh no, that might be for the dual beam saber. Not many polycaps at all. That's very limited polycaps for a high grade. I'm usually seeing like double or triple this. So that was really weird to see only that many. And you got your clear parts for the double beam saber. These are pretty cool. These are really nice. Pretty excited about that. I think I might paint it though. We'll see. We'll see how it looks. This is different. So this is it's like a grayish purple, and this is the hoses for these two are for the back of the leg, and this one I believe is at the back of the head. And look at this. This is like rubbery texture. So they did this, I believe, so you can get a lot more maneuverability when you put these on the back of the leg. So you can do that like pose where like the the leg goes like all the way back like that, and these will bend with it. Like they're not the molded ones or the ones that are on the real grade that they move, but they're not that great. These will move a lot. Like even this one, I believe this one goes on the head, so this one you'll be able to like swivel the head back and forth, because I believe this connects to the chest part, and then this is to the back of the head. So that's actually pretty cool. It's completely new. I've never seen that before. I don't know if paint's really going to stick that well, so that'll probably have to stay that color. I'm sure I could panel line them, but yeah, that's different. I might have to just snip a piece off like here and test it and put paint on it and twist it around and see what'll happen. But I'm gonna say these are gonna have to stay this color. So that was different. That's new. And here we got the main color of the armor. So this is like it's like a aqua green, I guess. It's really nice. I like it. It's a really cool color. I'm probably gonna maybe keep this color, do something close to it. I don't know, I haven't decided yet, but here we got the feet, and that's the fin, hands, and all the rest of the main armor. We got the legs. I guess that's like thrusters or something, or the feet, hands, arms, pretty cool stuff. I like the color. And then here's the last of it. They just give you, a couple stickers, not too many. It's upside down. I won't be using them though. But that about wraps it up, guys. I'll probably get to the kit soon, and if you got any ideas, throw them my way. We'll see if I could do some kind of custom work on it. We'll get it painted up. We'll get a review on it soon. Build it, get the review, and then I'll go from there, decide what I want to do for paint and modifications and stuff like that. So like I said, if you got any ideas, put a comment down below. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you haven't. And that's about it. So I guess you on the next video, I guess. I don't know. I'm really bad at these goodbyes, but alright, see you later. Happy building, everybody. Oh, thumbs up. There you go.